Alright, guys. Check this dumbass shit out. Person hit another deer. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but this thing is so fucked. Pretty sick. The deer like exploded. Died. Telluride. Over here on these fours, you gotta take this damn window out. Get this fucking fender off. Yeah, Telluride. Fender's off. Look at this. All deer shit. Poured out. Pretty gross. Radiator hose. Fresh dookie. This one's really bad.